Hi folks, Amy here, and I have another easy masculine card idea to share with you, and it uses some simple masking. Here I'm showing you an older stencil from the shop. This is the Mid-Century Carnival from Colorful Life Designs. I have an A2 size card base of 110-pound cardstock. That's Nina Classic Crest Solar White. I have the Carnival Party Collection ink pad set from Catherine Pooler and my blending brushes. Now here's a couple photos of the card that I'm going to show you today. This is actually a birthday card. It says, "Congratulations, you're officially a grumpy old man." So, you know, I love me some snarky cards, and this is another fun, quick, easy way to make a masculine card. So I know a lot of us struggle with that, trying to figure out how to make this type of card, so I want to give you as many different ideas as I can. But you can see I'm just masking off the top and the bottom of this card base. Now this gives the illusion of layering in some dimension, but it really cuts down on the bulk because it's essentially a single layer card except for the little bit of dimension from that popped up sentiment on the front. So I'm just laying down this stencil from a Colorful Life Designs directly on the card base, and I'm using my magnets to hold it in place while I choose what colors that I want to use. Now these Catherine Pooler inks are so rich and pigmented, and they're such a dream to blend. So these three colors, I'm just thinking in terms of a visual triangle. It's a good way to kind of evenly distribute the colors that you choose on your card. Just kind of think in terms of laying down the color 3 different times in a visual triangle, and that'll really help you kind of spread it out but still kind of give it the look of randomness in terms of laying the color around on your card. So I'm just going to come in with the yellow and finish up this color profile here, and these colors just blend gorgeous together. So where they meet, they end up making other colors in between, and like I said, they just blend so well. So before I remove the tape, I will remove the stencil, but then I want to do a little bit of extra ink blending. And the reason I do that is because I want to really make sure the masked off areas stay nice and bright and white. And when you kind of lay down this light handed coloring of ink just right next to the tape, then it really showcases that crisp white edge and really kind of gives it the illusion of layering up different pieces of paper on your card. So this is just a fun and easy way to kind of give yourself some faux layering or faux dimension without the bulk and without using up more paper. So now I'm just going to remove the magnets and remove the masking tape and reveal the glory that is a crisp white edge. I always love this. It never gets old. But this is just a simple way to kind of pull this type of card together. And you could go a step further and mask off what you already ink blended and do different colors or a different design. So the possibilities are really endless there. And then on the inside of the card, I want to continue the design a little bit. So I just grab the stencil again and my blending brushes, and I'm just going to lay down a little bit of color on the inside, very light, just to kind of continue the design and add some visual interest inside. And then I have a couple sentiments from Tailored Expressions. This is from The Man, the Myth, the Legend. This is a nice snarky stamp set. You get the stamps, you get the coordinating dies, and you can also order the storage boxes to store these little simple strips, but I do use them often on my cards and I appreciate the snark. So I use this little foam strip. These are thin foam strips that I get from Amazon. They're very comparable to the Doris ones if you're familiar with those. And then I'm going to use some liquid glue and just attach that other sentiment on the inside of the card, kind of in the center towards the top, and that's going to basically finish this design. I think it came together in about, I don't know, 5 or 6 minutes, so super quick. Another fun and easy graphic design for masculine cards, and I will link some other masculine card ideas here if you want to check them out. I know a lot of us struggle with how to create that type of card, so I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing, and I'll check you next time. Thanks.